Hi, I'm Ken Smyers with Controltrends, and I'm here with George Thomas from Contemporary Controls. George Thomas is one of my favorite people in the business. I followed George a long time. He's a stalwart in this industry. Contemporary Controls is celebrating their 40th anniversary, which I think is a testament to a very successful just approach towards what he does, his life habits, his commitment to the industry. George, tell us a little bit about Contemporary Controls.
Like you say, we're celebrating 40 years, and this haystack event is a good example that you got to keep innovating because there's also new ideas. So there's a long story about the things we've done in terms of ArcNet, BACnet, and now we're going to have to worry about Internet of Things and a couple of things, and haystack is one of them.
Well, I wanted to also review that Contemporary Controls won the Controltrends Award. They were voted by the Controltrends community as having one of the most innovative products available to them as building integrators. We want to thank Contemporary Controls for also being a platinum sponsor at Controltrends. Without this kind of support, Controltrends couldn't possibly survive. And we want to talk about the amazing product lines you have. So, George, we'll come back to the haystack involvement. But let's do that right now. You were involved in the haystack presentation this morning. Tell us a little bit about your role in the haystack presentation.
Well, we have this new automation platform that we're producing, and we had put in a portion of the fin stack from J2 Innovations, and they demonstrated that. We were one of the participants this morning. It was an exciting demonstration, and a lot of things are happening, and those two guys, Scott and Jason, are real showmen because we're really impressed with them, and we're glad we could participate.
One of the most important takeaways I'd like to give the Controltrends community is that Contemporary Controls is regarded as really masters of the network. They've solved more router problems, provided more industry knowledge on BACnet and about the protocol itself. But Contemporary Controls has some really other solid technologies, whether it's controllers, whether it's gateways, and some of the integration tools you have. So George, why don't you show us some of your products?
Okay, what we have here is what was part of the demonstration this morning. This is our automation platform. We're running a subset of J2 Innovations FinStack in this unit. It's an intelligent gateway. It gathers information off of Modbus RTU, also to BACnet MSTP. It has 2 isolated serial ports. We have a built-in switch so we can do Modbus TCP or BACnet IP. So we can gather all the devices up here. We have 2 Ethernet ports. And what we're showing is that through an AX supervisor, through Haystack, we can then bring these points up to Niagara. This is what was demonstrated today, and we're very excited being part of the Haystack event. People know us more for our Ethernet, ArcNet, and products, routers, gateways, IP routers, things of that sort. But we also make controllers. We support BACnet IP, so we have IP-based unitary controllers programmed through Sedona. And using Niagara Workbench with a Sedona plugin, you can drag and drop just like you do with Niagara. We have a demo board here. This is a 20-point controller just for training purposes. And we also have a 22. This is a new product for us. It has 2 Ethernet ports, so you can do daisy chain connections instead of going star topology into the head end. Our automation platform, we're very excited about this because we can use this in 2 separate applications. I mentioned about the FinStack. We also do it with DG Lux 5. This is a Linux platform, 1.2 gigabit, plenty of memory, 2 isolated serial ports. The same hardware, I can run 2 applications. One is an integration platform, and this is a supervisor running DG Lux 5. So again, partnering with the software people in our community, we can come up with effective solutions. In this situation, we're taking our popular BAS router here, and we connect it through IP to offload the CPU for this device, and then we can still pull in Modbus RTU devices here. On certain systems, you could probably do Modbus through serial as well. But this is a good example of the automation platform running different applications, and we're very proud of this device. So with DG Lux, we're not changing anything. Anybody who's familiar with DG Lux will understand this because we make no changes to it. We run these applications for them. And because we do our own manufacturing, we can do specials, adjust for either temperature or some type of different packaging, and we're happy to work with people on that.
Okay, George, that was an amazing product presentation. And how does our Controltrends get a hold of contemporary controls?
Well, the best thing, go to our website at ccontrols.com. We also have a 40th anniversary book we have for the industry.
Amazing.
And it's available in print. Available in print, but you can also download it from our website. So it's our contribution to the industry. A lot of technologies we have been working on. We've gone from serial to ArcNet to Ethernet, and now IP networks is in wireless.
Well, it's a great reference manual, and I'll tell you what, I got a special one because George signed my copy. Thanks very much, George.